Are you planning to pursue a PhD in Germany with full financial support? Then this DART PhD Scholarship 2027 could be the perfect opportunity for you. Applicants must have excellent academic records and should have completed a master's degree or diploma before the scholarship begins. There are two ways to pursue your PhD. First, an individual doctoral project supervised by a professor in Germany. Second, participation in a structured doctoral study program. Selected students receive monthly stipend of €1,400, health, accident, and personal liability insurance coverage, travel allowance, annual research allowance of €460. Additional benefits may include monthly rent subsidy, family allowance for accompanying family members. The selection process focuses on three main areas: academic qualifications, research project quality, and applicant potential. Click on Application Requirements. Select your country. Your most recent university degree should have been obtained no more than 6 years ago before the application deadline. Your application cannot be considered if you have been resident in Germany for longer than 15 months at the application deadline. Click on Application Procedure. Here you can check deadlines. The entire application process is completed online through the DART portal. Applications are usually accepted from June 1st until the official application deadline. After registering on the DART portal, complete the online application form and upload all required documents in the attachments section. Now let's go through the required documents one by one. You need a professional CV. If you have published research papers, conference papers, or articles, upload a list of publications. Prepare a motivation letter. You also need a research proposal. You must prepare a detailed research proposal yourself. The proposal should explain your research objectives, methodology, expected outcomes, and relevance of the project. Include a summary of your previous research work as well. If you are applying with an individual supervisor, your proposal should already have been discussed with that professor. Additional documents for individual PhD projects. If you plan to work under a German professor, you must submit a research schedule approved by your supervisor and a supervision confirmation letter from the professor who agrees to guide your PhD research. Click on Contact and Consulting. One of the most important parts of your DART PhD application is finding a suitable supervisor in Germany. A great place to start is the official German research institutions database. Search for your research field or subject area. Next, look for universities, institutes, or departments that match your academic background and research interests. Once you find a relevant institution, visit the department's official website. Then search for professors working in your research area. Here you can check for professor's email. Do not email professors randomly. Take time to carefully review their academic profile. Visit their ResearchGate profile, Google Scholar profile, university webpage, and recent publications. Check their current research interests, ongoing projects, and recent publications. In your email, briefly introduce yourself, mention your academic background, explain your research interests, and clearly describe why you are interested in working with that particular professor. Show that you have actually read their research work. Avoid sending the same generic email to dozens of professors. A personalized email has a much higher chance of receiving a response. Attach your CV and, if available, a short research proposal. Contact multiple professors before receiving a positive response. Once a professor agrees to supervise your research, request a supervision confirmation letter because this document is required for the DART scholarship application. To submit your application, click on Submitting Application. Applicants should also ensure that all documents are scanned clearly and saved in PDF format, as the portal only accepts PDF files. One particularly important document is the recommendation letter. During the application period, the DART portal provides a recommendation form that can be downloaded as a writable PDF. This form should be sent to a university professor or academic referee who knows your work well. After the professor completes and signs the form, it must be uploaded to the application portal as part of your application package. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.